Welcome back to Sports Render. We're delighted to have you back with us. Today, we're taking another exciting look at the progress of one of the most iconic stadiums in world football, the Spotify Camp Nou. Yes, the home of FC Barcelona is being transformed before our eyes, and we're here to bring you the latest updates on how things are going. So sit back, relax, and join us on this quick but detailed journey through the latest developments at the legendary Camp Nou. As many of you know, Barcelona have been working tirelessly to renovate their beloved stadium, a stadium that holds so much history, passion, and unforgettable footballing moments. The aim? To return to a renovated Spotify Camp Nou at the start of the next La Liga season, and welcome back around 60,000 fans to witness the magic once again. Now, although the renovation officially began in June 2023, the journey hasn't been without its obstacles. Like any major project of this scale, there have been some delays along the way. But despite the challenges, significant progress is being made, and it's starting to get really exciting. One of the biggest changes you'll notice is the installation of new seating throughout the stadium. The installed pitch has given a glimpse of what the finished stadium will feel like on match day. Structurally, the stadium looks very different from the one we've all grown up seeing on TV. The skeleton of the new design is now fully visible. One area that still needs more development is the third tier, especially the section that rises above the VIP and premium seating areas. But progress is steady, and each week brings new improvements. Of course, let's not forget, the full completion of the project isn't expected until 2026. So there's still a long way to go. But here's the good news. The club is optimistic about reaching their next milestone, which is to have the stadium partially ready for fans by the start of next season. It will be strange, but also exciting, to see a half-finished but fully functional Camp Nou once again hosting top-level football. And knowing Barca, they will want everything to be perfect, from the first goal scored on the new pitch to the atmosphere that will undoubtedly rock the new stands. So that's it for now, friends. We'll keep bringing you updates as the work continues. If you love stadiums, football architecture, and following these amazing transformations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Sports Render, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for following us, and we'll see you in the next video with more progress, more updates, and more amazing views of the new Camp Nou. Until then, take care and keep the spirit of football alive.